Namaste. Welcome to morning yoga for flexibility, strength, and balance. Let's begin right away on all fours. We'll be doing cat-cow pose to warm up. Place your knees directly under your hips, wrists directly under your shoulders. Fan out your fingers wide. As you inhale, arch your spine, lift your chin, not too far, don't crunch your neck. Cow pose, and exhale, round your spine, chin to your chest, cat pose. Again, as you inhale, lift the crown of your head and tailbone up, lower your belly, exhale, bring the crown of your head and tailbone down, hollow out your belly. Keep going, do a few more rounds in your own pace, follow your breath. On your next inhale, come to neutral spine. Then engage your core, press down through the tops of your feet and lift your knees about 1 to 2 inches up. Hold it, keep breathing. Bring your belly button in towards your spine. And then lower, back on your knees. Let's do that one more time. Engage your core and then lift your knees a few inches up. Hold, keep breathing, nice and strong. And release. For balance, lengthen out your left arm and extend your right leg. So opposite arm and leg are extended. Then take a deep breath in to lengthen and slightly arch your spine. Deep breath out. Left elbow towards your right knee, round your spine. Inhale to lengthen and exhale to round and contract left elbow to your right knee. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, contract left elbow to your right knee. Last one. Inhale, lengthen. And exhale, round and contract left elbow to your right knee. Then inhale, lengthen. Keep breathing. Hold. Keep engaging your core. Now hold it here, hold balance while you breathe deeply. Or take it one step further by bending your right knee and extending your left arm to the back. You don't have to hold on to your back foot, just reach for it. And then release. Slowly take a break. Come into your child's pose. Place your big toes together, sit back on your heels. Lengthen out your arms towards the front of your yoga mat and lift the base of your palms up so you're resting on your fingertips. Take a deep breath. Lengthen your spine, stretch your back and chest. Breathe into your stretch. And release. Come back on all fours to switch sides. Push yourself up. Knees directly under your hips, wrists under your shoulders. Firm your core in and up. Inhale, lift and lengthen your right arm and left leg. So opposite arm and leg are lifted. Hold and breathe. Hold your balance. Keep bringing your belly button in towards your spine to engage your core. Check and make sure that your left hip is in line with your right hip and your hips are horizontal with the ground. And let's get ready. Inhale to lengthen. Exhale, right elbow to your left knee. Inhale, lengthen out. Exhale, right elbow to your left knee. Round and contract your spine. Inhale to lengthen. Exhale, round and contract. Inhale, lengthen. And exhale. Inhale, lengthen out. Hold it here again. Hold your balance. Keep engaging your core. Breathe deeply. You're doing great. If you want to take it one step further, feel free to bend your left knee and reach with your right arm, your right hand towards your left foot. You don't have to hold on to it, just reach for it. You're stretching your left quad and at the same time strengthening your hamstring. Well done, and release. Sit back on your heels in child's pose, rest your forehead on the ground. And take a deep breath as you lift the base of your palms up, rest on your fingertips, stretch your whole upper body out. Breathe deeply and release. Come back on all fours. Step your right foot forward in between your hands for a low lunge. Right knee is right above your right ankle. Hold it here. Breathe deeply. Scissor your thighs in towards each other. On your next inhale, reach your arms up, Look up, open your chest. Try not to flare out your ribs, so bring your lower ribs in. And as you exhale, frame your front foot with your hands. Then curl your back toes, your left toes under. Place your right foot one step back to shorten your stance. Lift your left knee up and pivot and turn towards your right side. Left wrist is under your left shoulder. Left leg is lengthened and your right toes are pointing towards your right side. For a modified side plank, hold it here. Reach your right arm up, breathe deeply, and keep lifting your hips up towards the sky. Then as you exhale, dip your hip down slowly and gently. Sit your left hip down for a nice side body stretch. Lengthen out your right arm and take Gyan Mudra. Press the tip of your index finger against the tip of your thumb. Take one more deep breath. And then release, come back up to your modified side plank. And then come back to center, step it back, and let's take a little flow. Come into a full plank or half plank by dropping your knees down. Take a deep breath in. Exhale, lower yourself all the way down. Zip your legs together, press into your pubic bone and tops of your feet as you inhale. Peel your chest and chin up, Cobra Pose, keep breathing. Squeeze your shoulder blades towards each other. Exhale, lower down. Push yourself up to all fours and then switch sides. Step your left foot forward in between your hands for a low lunge. Left knee is above your left ankle. Frame your front foot, hold and breathe. Hug your thighs in towards each other. And then as you inhale, lift your arms up. Open your chest. Bring your front lower ribs down. Breathe deeply. Feel the strength of your lower body and at the same time the flexibility in your upper body. Relax everything else that you don't need. Great work. On your next exhale, place your hands down, framing your front foot. And then let's get ready for a modified side plank. Curl your right toes under. Lift your right knee up. Bring your left foot one step back to shorten your stance. And then turn and open up towards your left side. So your left toes are pointing towards your left. Right leg is lengthened. And then reach your left arm up. Your hips are stacked and your shoulders are stacked. Keep pressing your hips up towards the sky. Breathe deeply. And on your next exhale, lower your right hip down for a hip dip and a stretch in your side body. Reach your left arm towards the back of your yoga mat. Press the tip of your index finger against the tip of your thumb for Gyan Mudra. One more breath. Inhale, back to your modified side plank. Lift your hips and left arm up. And then slowly lower your left hand down, come back to your low lunge. And then from there, step your back foot forwards, standing forward bend. Hinging from your hips. As you inhale, lengthen your spine, come up halfway, place your hands on your shins or thighs. Exhale to lower down. Bend your knees generously, then inhale, come all the way up, stand up tall. Exhale, release. Place your palms together in front of your heart, take a deep breath. And then stand up tall at the front of your yoga mat. Place your hands on your hips and step your left foot out to the back for a high lunge. Right knee is bent. Lift your left heel. Inhale. Raise your arms up. As you exhale, straighten out your legs and twist your chest to your right side. Lower your arms parallel with the ground. Inhale, come back up. Lengthen. Exhale, rotate your chest to the right. Left arm in front, right arm in the back. Inhale, lift and lengthen. Exhale, twist and bend your right knee. Last one. Inhale to lift and lengthen. Exhale, twist to your right. Stay here to hold your balance. Breathe deeply. Second option is drop your right hand down and lift your left arm up. This is a little tricky. There's a lot going on over here. And if you lose balance, no worries. Gently bring yourself back. Well done. And release. Windmill your arms down to the ground. Frame your front foot. And now for a nice stretch, walk your hands forward towards the front of your yoga mat, maybe even past your yoga mat. Keep reaching forward, resting on your fingertips, and stretch your left heel towards the back. Keep reaching back and forth, stretching out your whole body. And release, step it back in your downward facing dog. And walk it out in your downward facing dog. Bend one knee, straighten out the other leg. Keep alternating. Feel free to keep walking your downward facing dog or flow it out. As you inhale, come into a plank or a half plank. Exhale, lower yourself all the way down. Inhale, Cobra Pose. With your hands directly under your shoulders, peel your chest and chin up. Or go for an upward facing dog. Place your hands by your hips, press firmly into your palms and tops of your feet, lift your knees off the ground and lift your upper body up. And release, curl your toes under, bring your knees and hips up and back, downward facing dog. Then switch sides. Step your left foot forward, high lunge. Place your left hand on your hip, then your right, and bring your upper body up, look forward. As you inhale, reach your arms up. Lengthen your legs, exhale, twist and turn to your left side. Inhale to lift and lengthen. Exhale, bend your front knee, right arm in the front, left arm in the back. Inhale, lift and lengthen, and exhale, twist. Last one, inhale, lift and lengthen up. Exhale, twist. Arms are parallel with the ground. Hold it here, breathe deeply, or for the second option, drop your left arm, reach your right arm up, and yeah, I'm losing balance here. That happens. So gently bring yourself back. There's a lunge, there's a twist, and a back bend. So much going on. So breathe deeply, grounding down, and then release. Windmill your arms back down to the ground, frame your front foot, and go for that stretch. Reach with your back heel, really towards the back, your right heel, reaching to the back, and step your hands towards the front and even past the top of your yoga mat. Resting on your fingertips, stretch your whole body, breathe deeply, and then release. Come back into your downward facing dog. Take a deep breath and feel free to float out. So either stay in your down dog or come into a plank or half plank. As you inhale, launch yourself forward. Exhale, lower down, chaturanga. Inhale, cobra or an upward facing dog. Exhale, bend your knees. Take a moment in child's pose. Sit back on your heels. Place your forehead on the ground. From there, walk yourself back up and come into a seated, cross-legged position, crossing your legs at your shins. Take a deep breath in. On your exhale, lower your chin towards your chest. Breathe into the back of your neck. And then inhale. Roll your right ear towards your right shoulder. Keep breathing. Slowly roll your left ear towards your left shoulder for a gentle neck stretch. Bring your chin back to center. Back up. Wonderful. And then take a moment to notice and observe how you feel. Notice your breath. Let's seal our practice together with a deep breath in. Circle your arms up. Exhale, unite your hands and draw your hands down in front of your heart. Take a moment to thank yourself for taking this time to practice, to stretch and strengthen your body, find balance. And thank you so much for practicing with me. May this be a blessing to you, from my heart to yours. Thank you so much for practicing with me. For more morning yoga, get your free Blissful Morning Guide right now by clicking the first link below this video. Just enter your first name and email and I'll instantly send it to you. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more free yoga and meditation videos every Tuesday. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your family and friends, and let me know in the comments what your favorite part was. I look forward to seeing you soon again. Bye for now.